A motorized carpet sweeper is something that you use in order to clean your rugs or small areas of carpet. If you don't want to, I mean, if you don't are relying on a big heavy vacuum cleaner. This motorized carpet sweeper is by the Shark Company. It was manufactured in China. I want to show you how this does clean up rugs. Instead of trying to Instead of trying to vacuum your rugs, it's kind of best to go with the motorized carpet sweeper, because this thing can collect a lot of dust from aerial rugs. There might be some electric vacuum cleaners that can easily do rugs, like a compact canister, either like a Dyson or maybe a small Eureka. For this kind of rug, I recommend the the Boss canister vacuum. That was a good suggestion for a Eureka. Because my Aunt Karen has one of those in Minnesota. This motorized carpet sweeper does growl, which means it's still working. This can also be used as a cord-free vacuum cleaner for your carpets. Okay. Well, instead of going for a big heavy vacuum, this vacuum can clean up pet hair. This vacuum can clean up pet hair very good. I like it. I like if you have a big dog or something that sheds. Yep. This vacuum does a dog hair very well. There are some vacuum stores that do have this kind of vacuum. Yep. This was built since 2013. I had it for a very long time. Yeah. This one happens to be a manual-driven motorized carpet sweeper. Well, I hope you find this video informative, and thanks for watching, and hope to do later videos tomorrow. Bye.